rolling.
Hey, good morning. It's Mark with Sailing Lunacy. We've had our Seawater Pro water maker installed now for a couple of months, and so one of the questions we keep getting is how much water can it make on the Honda generator. So today we're going to run a test. We know the water maker makes 40 gallons an hour, but we're not sure how long the Honda will run on that. So we're going to top off the generator. We've got two empty tanks, both of them that we just did some plastic welding on the bottom because they had small leaks in it. So we're going to run a test today and see how much water we can make.
Also, something they typically don't mention in the manual is to smell the water before you put it in a tank. It's possible to have water below 500 ppm that still smells a little ripe if it's been a few days since you did a freshwater flush. Don't worry though, if it does have a smell to it, you typically only have to run the water maker for a few minutes to get the smell out. Just try not to shoot it up your nose like I did this time.
Alright, it's time to go check the second tank. The Honda's still running away. It's been a few hours. There's the tank we removed to do the water maker. Hey Jen, how's that water maker test going? So that is the second tank of 100 gallons. What do we got? Probably got about 6 or 7 inches of water left, so that's about 175 gallons so far, and we are still running strong. So I'm at the point now where I'm gonna have to check this tank every 10 minutes or so and then start putting water in 5-gallon buckets, I guess. So I think we're gonna hit, I kind of wanted at least 200 gallons out of 0.95 gallons of gas, and it looks like we are gonna hit it. So, all right, Seawater Pro test. We are a few hours in, several hours in. Both 100-gallon water tanks are full. There's Jen out there monitoring the test. And we are officially at 200 gallons, and we are putting water in 5-gallon buckets. Still on the less than 1 gallon of gas that is in the Honda. So still going strong. Keep up the good work.
Yeah, wasteful Nelly.
Bad mark. Alright, so the generator, the Honda, on 0.95 gallons, finally died. We were at 200 and what were we at? 220 or 225? We were at I'd done 4 of these, so 220 and about 2 gallons. So call it 222 gallons on 0.95 gallons of gas. Not bad. We're definitely digging the Seawater Pro. Hope you enjoyed the test. We believe that the Seawater Pro is probably the best value in the market right now. For the price, it's a really, really great system.
Yeah, we absolutely love it. We like having pretty much endless water, and pretty much
Water for days.
So we highly recommend this unit, and we were not affiliates when we bought this unit, but we are now happy customers and have become affiliates. So if you click the link below, if you're interested in this unit, we get just a tiny kickback, and it really helps us out.
And we promise to spend the money irresponsibly. So there's a camp out there of people that believe that water makers will never pay for themselves.
Right, but to me, the freedom alone of not being required to go into a marina to find water is huge.
Or not trying to seek out a thunderstorm to park in so you can catch water.
Oh yeah, catching water, that's a fun one. Actually it is.
Yeah,
But
you enjoy
I love
it.
to catch
I don't
water.
enjoy it.
But it's not good to rely on.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some there in islands like where we are right now, St. Thomas. It's not that big of a deal to have one, although you're going to pay 20 cents a gallon for RO here. But there's some remote islands that if you go to them, you're going to be very limited in how long you can stay because you don't have a water source there. So it's more about the freedom than the return on investment.